Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril, and if you're not following me, I have an Instagram page called Cyrilcybernated where I post about my plants, my cats, home decor. I often feature products. I talk about plant care as well and show you my collection every now and then. And today is another episode of our Small Business Sunday, and this Sunday I will be unboxing very cute planters from a company called Sunzoo. So I'll be putting their Instagram over here, and they're actually available on Amazon right now, and that's what I got. A big box from fulfilled by Amazon. I'll also be posting the links on their Amazon shop just so you could easily click on the products. Basically, a little background on Sunzoo is they're a team of young, creative people who wanted to do and introduce like innovative products. And you know me and my love for quirky planters. And today, actually, let's start doing the unboxing. Today I'll show you what I got from them, and I'll be flashing on the screen. Basically, at this point, they do offer two types of decorative planters. Ones that they label under decorative, meaning these are like standalone planters, and they do have a deck and rail planter collection, which for those who are living in high-rise buildings or those that have rails that are less than 4 inches thick, I believe those could fit your actual deck or patio situation. I'm just overwhelmed because it's always so fun to open something up. I don't know with you, but I do enjoy that. So I'm expecting two types of planters, so as per usual, they would always use a very big box to house that, and it's packaged securely as usual. Anything that comes from Amazon is always packaged that way, so not mad. Sorry about that sound, and let me my scissors to open it instead to make it easier. So you know me, going back, I love my quirky and fun planters, and I think that their products are really cute. For this year, I'm trying to go for a very literal jungle for our living room situation, and when they reached out to tell me about their planters, I thought that they would be the perfect addition. And I don't know if you know this, and if you're following me on Instagram, but most of my planters, probably the usual or average size would only be around 6 inches. So I've always wanted to see what are the bigger options that are standing or like a standalone from the ground. That's another hack or tip rather when you have cats to put your plants into surfaces, and that's why I chose their decorative planters. So we're opening the first box. Okay. Wow, it's bigger than I expected it. So cool. Okay, the first one is actually, okay, let me just open it this way. So another thing that I want to talk about is their feature of no tool assembly. I think, who did I get? This is, who is this? I think this is Robert the Deer. Because they have a few characters, I'll be flashing that on the screen. But this one is, I think, Robert the Deer. Let me just completely open everything so that I can tell you which planter it is. So continuing the unboxing of the parts, of course, a consideration that I always make sure that I do is for the planter to still fit the aesthetics of our home. And yes, I believe this is Jacqueline the Giraffe. Jacqueline the Giraffe is in peach and white color. So these are like the sizes of their planters, and if you're wondering why it has this like tiny gap in between the planter, is it has a feature wherein you could use it as part of a railing fixture, and you could install the legs also to make sure that they could be standalone planters, which I think is really cute. This size, it would really allow you to fit a lot of plants here. Based on their website, they also show that you could put 3 smaller, maybe around 4-inch pots on both sides, 2 5 to 6-inch pots, or 1 of each on a bigger plant or specimen. And let me just get into assembling all the legs. It's kind of hard to do it on camera, but it's easy. No tools needed, and we'll see how I will figure this out. Actually, all their packaging and the materials used are also environmentally friendly. I believe it's recyclable, if I remember it right. Which is a very important factor. You know, these days we have to make sure that we're not adding to the very prevalent issues of our environment. Like, guys, if what's happening is not enough proof that climate change is real, I don't know what will be needed for... Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I should be reading the instructions, but I'm just trying to set it up even without going through the manual. And I'll just probably cut to the part where I will be reading the instructions and show you the finished product, and I'll tell you how was my experience. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I think I'm only gone for like 5 minutes. Literally everything snapped in place, and I only had to look out the diagram, which is very easy, and it wasn't even a challenge. But for someone that likes or who doesn't like to read instructions, you could basically figure it out because it snaps in place and everything looks and snaps as if it was where it's originally meant to be. It's not confusing as well, which I like, because I'm thinking that this is gonna be a fun activity for the kids as well. If my cats were real baby kids, I'm sure that they would have a lot of fun setting up the planter. And another thing that I like about this is it's also meant for either the normal planter function, which should have a drainage, or you could do like a self-watering with your other substrates. That's also an option, because you could do it with a drainage and without a drainage. And it also has this tray to prevent it from sitting in water, or if I use like choose a pond, I'll probably use an entire bag on this. But it looks super cool. So this is the giraffe. I forgot her name. So yeah, this is Jacqueline, the giraffe. And I'll probably set it up on a different angle so you would see how I would assemble the other one, which is Robert the deer. And I'll show you guys in a minute. But this is it. I didn't really think that we're gonna be twinning, but yeah.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips. Your silhouette in the moonlight shine.
Okay, and that was it for today's unboxing, assembly, and maybe a showcasing our Sunzoo planters. So if you like whimsical, if you want a bit of color, if you want a bit of fun, if you have kids or if you have nephews and nieces, I think that those are really cute planters for you to be able, well, you could gift those to them. Another thing is if you're just like me, who is an adult who also still and is still in love with whimsical things all over. Well, whimsical planters, well, maybe whimsical everything, like whimsical fashion, whimsical looks. I think that those are really cute planters for you to go for, and they're also decorative pieces. They look like toys, but they serve as something that has a function, and they're also really cute. Um, so yeah, again, if you want to help and support, check out Sunzoo. They are on Instagram, they're on Amazon. I'll be linking their information on the description box below. And if you like these types of contents, you could also follow me on Instagram. My name again is Cyrilcybernated on Instagram. And I'm also on Facebook, and you are watching me now on YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.